Are you trying to find ads online that are working really well that can help you make more money? Let me show you a really cool trick. So there's ads already online that are people are using already that are working really well. People are making, 10K a month, and more. And I can show you how you can find those ads so that you can use the same ones and apply it to your business to have more customers and more sales. So stay tuned to this video. So my name is Bilal. So for those people that haven't met me, I help people create funnels and I get them traffic with Facebook ads. Those are the two sources I use in order to get someone to start their business, it's online business. So if you want to make around like 10K a month, there's only two things you need. You need ads and you need funnels. So those are the two things. So today in this video, what I'm going to be showing is how to find winning ads that are currently already working, so you don't have to create something new. You just create something that's already working, and how you can apply it into your business and scale your business up really quickly without having, to add a lot of cost and research. By creating new ads, you just use the ones that are already winning and working for other people. So let's get into the video and let me show you how you can find these ads. All right, so the first thing you would do in order to find these winning ads, you go on Google and you type in Facebook ads library. So it's the first one. You click on that. Okay, so that is a sponsored link, so you don't click on that. So you go to here where it says Facebook search the Meta ad library. So you click on the first link. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to open up. And this is really powerful. So if you don't know what this is, basically this allows you to see all the ads that people are running currently on Facebook. So, and it's for free. So you don't have to pay for this. This is all for free. It's really, you can select which area you would like to see the ads from. So let's say I wanted to search for USA. So you can type here, United States. Okay, so we're going to see all the ads people are running on Facebook in the United States. Okay, and then we're going to click on all ads. Okay, and let's say I wanted to do gym. So I wanted to see all the ads that people are running in the USA about gym. All right, so I typed in gym and I got 49,000 results. These are all the people in the United States that are that are running ads on Facebook. And then you can also see the dates here. You can see started running on August 27th. Okay. And then it shows you the platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and then Messenger. And then it says here to add use this creative and text. Okay. So all of these on top over here, it's mentioned here launched August 2024. So that's when these ads were launched. Okay. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the images, but you'll also see the text. Okay, over here, right? This is Gold's Gym. They're running ads. You have here Gym Academy. They're running ads. So you see here they're using pictures, and then over here they're using a video. Okay, so now you're starting to get an idea what type of ads to run, right? You're looking at the colors, you're looking at the font, you're looking at the text, what they're using. So if you read the offer they're promoting, this says big results while saving big. Join for just $1, right? A really big and bold offer just for $1, right? How can you say no to $1 offer? And so you have here, right, escape the transactional trap. So this pitch is now for business owners who have a gym, right? And they're targeting them, right? Build a gym that doesn't need new clients. So they have an offer here. So we can go to the copy. Semi-private and small group gym owners are stuck in your. Are you stuck in your gym? It is because you can't add new clients. And here's how to fix it. So they have a link as well. If you wanted to look at their offer. So if you click on the ad itself, it actually opens up more. It gives you more of the copies. So look at all of this, right? You're getting all this for free. Now, if you are a gym and you want to create an ad like this, right? All you would do is you would just copy all of this, right? And you can paste it on a Google Doc, and then you can change the messaging around so that it fits your brand, your offer, and who you are. Obviously you wouldn't copy the same thing, right? You would change it, so you would just keep the outline or the structure, and then you would change it completely so that it sounds like, you and your business. So yeah, so that's how simple it is. You can just go online for free, grab all the info, right, from people who already done the research, right, and they're using this, right. You can use this for your own business right now to get more customers and get more sales. Okay, so that was an example I showed you with an image. And look at this ad, right? This one doesn't have a picture. So this one has a picture of a person. This one doesn't even have a picture of a person. It just has text, an image and a text. And it's talking about, watching a free video. So that's another offer. So you want to start collecting all these different offers and seeing what the pattern is and what is working. So profitable gym, again, so that's another word they're using. And then if you click on, let's say this one, the one that had the free video, let's say you wanted to also do a free training, right? You want to pitch to your customers a free training where they can join. Well, it's right over here. They can just literally just take the structure and make it into your own. And look how simple that is. There's not a lot of text. So you can just copy that, put it into a Google Doc, make sure you change it up. Okay, it's a bit longer. So yeah, you don't have to make it this long. There's other ones that are a bit shorter, but yeah, like look at there's tons of ads here, right? And they're all running ads here, right? So obviously there's something that's working here. I can show you a trick to see how to know if an ad is actually working or not, because a lot of these people, right, they are running ads, but how do you know if it's actually working or not, right? So that's a big question. So let me help you figure that out. So you see here the dates, August 27th. That is recent, right? That's like 2 days. So that they started running the ads, right? So what you want to do is you want to go down the list and you want to go to a page where they've been running ads for a long time. Okay, I'm saying like, at the beginning of the year in January, and they're still running that same ad. Or you go 2 years back, right? And they're still running that same ad. That means that ad is working, right? That's what they're spending money. People only spend money on things that are working. You have really big gyms, that just want to do brand awareness and they just have like a generic ad. So you'll be able to see which ones are like generic and then which ones are actually, running for a long time and are working. So brand awareness and getting sales are two different things. So you want to make sure you focus on ads that are asking people to become a lead or asking for a sale. So those are the ones that will help you get conversion. So guys, that's how simple it is to create ads, right? If you are struggling with Facebook ads and you don't know how to create it, well, this little trick that I just gave you can really help boost your business, right? Whether you're looking for more customers or more sales. All you do is just go through the steps I went through in this video, watch it again, and then just go through that industry, right? I did it for gym. You can do the same thing if you're for a restaurant. If you, have like maybe a service, right? Like where you do roofing. If you have like, you do driveways, right? You have some home services, like for example, kitchen cabinets. So yeah, you can go ahead and do the research. Now, if you actually want to work with someone to help you with this, I do this. I've helped over 2,000 people, and I would love to help you guys out as well. So if you have any questions about this, please post in the comment below, and I'll be happy to respond. Right, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, so if you want to learn more about marketing, how to use Facebook ads, how to create funnels, how to create sales online, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Every week I post a video about these topics, and you'll be able to get more info every week, so that you can grow your business, and yeah, you just have a better lifestyle. So that's it, guys, for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.